In this video, I will be giving you key levels for July for Nifty, Bank Nifty, and 10 stocks from Nifty 50. But before that, let me just tell you that the key levels for June, which I provided you on 29th May to I think 31st May, they have worked like a charm. Let it be Nifty, let it be Nifty Bank, you know, L&T, Bajaj Finance, Infosys, SBI, and ICICI Bank, HDFC Bank, any stock you name it. Key levels, for some of these stocks, key levels have literally nailed it, spot on, bullseye. So before I move forward and provide you with a key levels for next month, let's go and take a quick review of this month's key level performance. So stay with this video and I'm sure you will be surprised by the results. Welcome back to Rishi Quant Research. I'm Rishikesh. So just let me quickly share screen with you and we'll take a quick review of this month's key level. Let me take a tool, some drawing tool. Yes, we have some drawing tool. Yes. Okay. So this is Nifty Bank. This dotted line, here, market was here when I provided you these levels. And this up to what? 2030 30th May, okay, 30th May. We'll just ignore the part of 1st July, okay. I'm one day late, so ignore the part of 1st July. So you can literally see how these key levels have panned out. The first, Bank Nifty. See the opening support with small liquidity sweep. Again, consolidation at the next key level, just below next key level, breakout, genuine breakout, and then for the rest of the month, market respected 56050. This is for Bank Nifty. In Nifty, you can see opening at the exact key level zone. These two key level 950 to 990, 23,950 to 990. Market dropped significantly to 23,160. Took support 3 times, retested this support 3 times, and then with this couple of gap ups, market again reached to the level of 23,950 to 23,990. Now this zone acted as a mean reversion. I've explained to you in my last videos. You can just refer to that. See, if you can just plot the range of this, you can see the mean exactly little bit above of our key zone. So during the June, I'm sorry, this in the later half of the month, this zone has turned out to be a mean reversion zone. L&T, yes, this is the L&T. You can see the market dropping below here, first taking support, then again with this gap up, okay, with this gap up, market recovered about 39,110, and then with this gap up, market sustained above 4080. Even after that, market breakout of 4170, stayed above it, retesting that level multiple times, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and then again dropping below it, resting at the 4080, which is again our key level. So this is L&T, this is Hindustan Unilever. See how beautifully the key levels have worked out for Hindustan Unilever. Market opened, took support at 2065, again rallied up and you know tested 2210 multiple times and then rested at 2180. Mind you, I don't tell you that after 2065, if the 2065 support is taken at 2065, next will be 2100. If 2100 is broken, then next will be 2150. Of course it is, if you just take a key levels 50 points apart. But no, I provide you with exact key levels. These key levels I have not calculated, or I have not drawn using eyeballing. I'm not eyeballed these key levels. These key levels are the result of the Python script which I made, and that's why we get the objective key level statistically calculated. And that's why this is the result of that. That's why these key levels work precisely after 30 days of market, 30 days of volatility and 30 days of market. That's why these key levels have worked in this manner. So perfect execution for Hindustan Unilever. Bajaj Finance, again superb. Market broke below this, and then you can see multiple retesting at this 870, came to 920, and just with this gap up, and retesting 955, and then with this breakout, again retesting 955 after breakout, and then the final resting point is near 1000. See how accurate these key levels have worked after you know 29 days. So just remove this first July part. Even with this up to this 30th June, you can see right here around 1000. So this is Bajaj Finance. Infosys, you can see first taking support at 1170, again rest, lingering just above 1170, retesting support, breaking below, and after breaking this support, retesting it as a resistance, and then dropping with the momentum, resting at what? Uh, Resting at 1000 almost. This is Infosys SBI. Again, see, taking resistance exactly at the key level, but with this breakout candle breaking above 970, again retesting it with this open low candle, almost open low candle, and then respecting this key level throughout the month of June. This is SBIN, this is ICICI Bank. Superb execution of these key levels. Perfection, execution, and precision. See, precise analysis 30 days prior. So opening here, taking support at 1215, breaking above this key level, retesting it again 1345, retesting it as resistance multiple times, breaking above it, resistance becomes support, retesting it, and again taking resistance at 1400 to 1405 and resting at above 1373. Okay, so this is ICICI Bank. TCS, again taking support at 2285, just this is liquidity sweep, so you can see. So with gap up, again opening at 2285, taking resistance at 2470, just below 2470, 2475, and then breaking below 2285, retesting just below 2285, which was the support, now became the resistance, and then market fell below this with the momentum and rested somewhere around 2000. TCS. Then we have Bharti Airtel. Bharti Airtel, you can see 1835. This resistance level 1835 was retested multiple times. This here with this candle, you can see 1, 2, 3 multiple times retested. 1805 didn't work, but anyway, you cannot be 100% perfect. So with this, you know, breakout candle, market rallied up, and see the exact retest again. 1835, which was the resistance, now become the support. That's why price came back and retested it as a support, and then market rested somewhere around 1862 1860. So this is HDFC. Again, see what a perfect manner in which these key levels have panned out. Opening, retesting 730 just above zone, just above 730, maybe 4 points to, or 2.8 points to its lowest. So you can consider 3 to 4 points just above 730. Retesting it multiple times, breakout of this 770 with the genuine breakout, and then retesting it, and again going towards 810, and 810 also retested multiple times, resting at about 800. So this is HDFC Bank. And now Reliance, let's see, 1365 to 1360, perfect resistance. Price took resistance exactly at these levels, broke below this with this head and shoulder, inverted head and shoulder, and then with this gap up opening, broke above the neckline of this head and shoulder, recovered above 1295, and then again taking support. Market closed 30 June exactly at 1295. Let me show you. So what do you think? Why these key levels, which I provided you 30 days back, and why these key levels are so accurate? You can see this is today's. Okay, this video should have been uploaded. This video I should have made it yesterday, but due to some, I was busy, I couldn't do it. That's why it's one day late. That's why you are watching this today's market of 1st July. Otherwise, I would have just made this video. I should have made this video yesterday, that is on 30th, 30th June, and uploaded it. So 1295 was our key level, and closing, if you can see, is 1294.5, within 0.5 point. It is not a percentage, mind you. 0.5 is not a percentage. Market closed within 0.5. How accurate one can be if you use statistics in a proper way and just stop eyeballing things. So this was the performance of our key levels for the month of June. Now let's go and get the key levels for the month of July. Okay, so this is the 1st July. That's why you are watching this. July has started. You are watching one day into this zone. So these are the key levels for the next month of July. You can just take a snapshot of this. Okay, please. And again, I tell you, if the key levels are very much closer together, forming kind of zone or cluster, you treat that cluster as a zone, support zone or resistance zone, whichever that may be. So this is for Reliance. We'll start with Nifty, Banknifty. So we have upper side 59,825 and downside we have 54,145. and then we have this zone 5791 5780 to 57550, 57880 to 57500. Okay, so if the market is sideways, and if July is not, if the July doesn't hold the volatility, or July which will be coming is calm, in that sense, if that is the case, then you can expect this zone to be acting as a mean reversion zone. So this is bank nifty, this is nifty. You can see these are the levels. Okay, 24,595 is farthest and 23,205 is the lowest. Then we have LNT. Just take a snapshot of this and plot it on your chart. Okay, so this is 4155, 42, 4200, 4290, and the lowest is 3900. This is LNT. We have Hindustan Unilever. Again we have 22110, 2190, 2185. This will be forming a zone, and then below we have 2125, 2085, 2065. Okay, we have these two key levels and 2210. This will be a hard zone for the price to break above. This is Hindustan Unilever. Then we have Bajaj Finance. You can see right here. Okay, 1020, 1035, 1045, and then we have 985, 965. Bajaj Finance. Then we have Infosys. Okay, you can see. So Infosys may rest between 1050 to 920, because you can see the zones created by these key levels. This will be a zone, and again let me just draw this for you. This will be a zone, and again this here will be a zone. So let's see if the Infosys break above this or below this zone. Then we have SBIN. See, SBIN equidistant key levels. Next key levels 1070, 1110, 1110. Yes. Then we have 1035, 1025, 1005, and 980. Just take a screenshot of this, and please just make a profile of this. Plot these key levels, and at the end of July, see for yourself if those key levels have worked or not. Each day you just watch how the price is reacting at each key level, and you will come to know how precise these key levels can be. ICICI Bank, we have, yes, upper side we have strong resistance 1405 to 1390. Downside we have 1355 to 1345. Okay, this is ICICI Bank. Then we have TCS. These are the key levels for TCS. TCS is falling like a dead leaf. So next will be 1950, and I have not given you key levels below this because in recent past TCS price has not reached in this region. That's why it is outside the gambit of my data which I have used to calculate this key level. This is TCS. Then Bharti Airtel. Yes, you can see 1920 to 1940, treat this as a zone. And then we have downside 1840. Upper side, if price crosses above 1940 and after retesting, might go to 2025. Downside, you can see these key levels. This is Bharti Airtel. This is HDFC. Again, until the price is in this zone, expect a lot of whipsaws. Okay, unless the price breaks above or breaks below this zone with a and sustains, you just be aware, because 780 to 800 will be a whipsaw zone. Will be, I would say, no trading zone. The candle which gives you bullish sentiment above 800 and sustains, then you can target 840, and if it breaks below 780, then you can target 740. HDFC. Then we have Reliance Industries. These are the key levels for Reliance Industries. Upside we have 1320, 1330, 1360, 1295, 1270, 1240. Downside. So anyway, these were the key levels for the July. So let's see how these key levels panned out on the expiry day of July. So I'll see you in a month. Thank you.